Hi, I am Sumedha Puhami. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Discipline Institute. Today we are going to discuss about Python basic arithmetic operations. So here I have downloaded Python 3.7. So here this is we are calling as the interactive mode. What is interactive mode? When you give some operations like this, operators, it will give the answer on the same interface. So here when we are considering about the basic arithmetics, you will have to know something. Now here I just use a comment. What will happen with the Python comment? It is not executing, right? So when we are considering about the arithmetic operations, there's an order. You have to simplify. First, you have to simplify the brackets, then the exponent, then you have to go for multiplication or division. Division, there are three types. Normal division is there, or integer division is there, integer division, or the mode, remainder, okay, and then plus and the minus. So today we are going to discuss about this arithmetic operators, how they are performing in Python language. Okay, I'll take some examples. We'll take some simple examples. 5 plus 3, so it will give 8. 5 minus 2, it will give 3. So like this the basic operations will perform. Now we'll just go for exponent 2, exponent 3. This means what? I'll take a comment, 2 to the power 3. So the answer will be 8. So that means what? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so the answer will be 8. Because of the comment, it is not executing. Then we'll go for the division. So normal division, 9 divided by 2, or 9 divided by 2 we'll take. So it will come as a float type with a decimal point, 4.5. So if you have used integer division, 9//2, so it will give only the integer part, 4. The decimal part is not there. Okay. Then if you use 9 mod 5, so that means you are dividing 9 by 5 and the remainder will be answering. Okay. So the remainder will be 4. Right. So we have went through the basic operators. Now we will see how we can apply this. First one, I'll take 5 plus 7 minus 3, 2. So here it will display a syntax error. Syntax error. Okay. So what will happen? We haven't used any operators. So that means if you want to multiply with the bracket, it is not just explaining that into the Python interpreter. So you have to put the cursor here in the interactive cell. If you want to take the same function that you have made, the same operation that you have made, just put the cursor and enter. So the same thing will be repeat here. So you can give multiplication mark here, and now you can enter. Now it will give the answer. Okay. So as we said, first it will go for the bracket. So 5 plus 7 minus 3 means what? 4. Then the order will be multiplication. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 5, that will be 13. So the answer will be 13. We'll see. So here the answer. Right. Now we'll take something like this. The same thing. I'll put the cursor here and enter. and I want to multiply it by 4. So you can see here multiplication after that you are having the division. So here what will happen? 5 plus 7 minus 3 into 2 divide by 4. So first it will perform the brackets, then multiply, then division, then adding with the number. So 5 plus 4 minus 7 minus 3, it's 4. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Then 8 is dividing by 4. 8 is dividing by 4. So 2.0. 2.0. Why? This is just division. So because of that the decimal point will be appearing. So 2.0 plus 5. So 7.0. So you can see the answer. Now if you use something like this, 5 minus 7 plus 3, then multiply by 2 divide by 4. What will be the answer? So 5 minus 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. 10 into 2, 20. 20 divided by 4, 5.0. Why? Just division is there. Okay, division. So with the decimal point it will go. So 5.0, 5 minus 5.0. So what will happen? The answer will be 0.0. Okay, right. We'll take something like this. 5 minus 7 plus 3 into 2 divide by 4. The same thing I have removed the bracket. So now what will happen? Where are the priorities going on to these operators? So first the multiplication. Okay, 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 divided by 4, 1.5. 1.5. So that will be adding to 5. So 6.5 minus 7. 6.5 minus 7, that means minus 0.5. So you can see the answer here. Now if you go like this, 5 minus 7 plus 3 divide by 2 into 4. So what will happen? Here I have changed the operators, division operator and the multiplication operator. So what is the priority? First it will do the arithmetic operation, division, then multiplication. So division and multiplication on the same level. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5 into 4, 1.5, yes, into 4, 6.0. 6.0 plus 5, that is 11.0. 11.0 minus 7, so that means 4.0, right? So you can see the answer. Then we'll take something like this. 7 plus 5 mod 3. So what is the priority? For mod first. So 5 mod 3. What will be the answer? The remainder. For 5, 1 and the remainder will be 2. So 2 plus 7, that will be 9. Okay. Then we will take something like this. 7 plus 5 integer division 2 mod 3. So these things we are using in programs. So because of that, try to understand the basic concept, how you can use these things and what is the order. Okay. So here, so 7 plus 5 integer division by 2 mod 3. So 5 integer division 2, what will be the answer? So the answer will be 2.5, but we are taking only the integer part 2. 2 mod 3. 2 mod 3. So 2 you are dividing by 3. So there's no integer part. The remainder will be 2. So 7 plus 2, that is 9. Okay, that is 9. So the remainder will be adding to 7. Right, we'll move to the next one. So 7 plus 5 minus 6 exponent 2, integer division 9. Okay, something like this. So what will happen? 7 plus 5 minus 6 exponent 2. 6 exponent 2 means what? So what is the 6 power 2. So what will happen? 6 to the power 2 is 36. So 36 integer division 9. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? So 36 integer division 9. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 4. Okay, answer will be 4. Now what will happen? Now 7 plus 5 minus 4. So what will be the answer? So you can see 7 plus 5, it's 12. 12 minus 4, it's 8. So the answer will be 8. So the coming part will be not executing. So this arithmetic operation will be performing. So the answer will be 8. So you can see the answer is 8. So these are the basic concepts. Just try this one yourself. 5 plus we'll take 4 minus 2, then into 2 plus 4 more 2 minus 4 integer division 3 minus 5 minus 3 divide by 1. I'll give some time. You just think what will be the answer. 5 plus 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 4 more 2 integer division 3 minus 5 minus 3 divide by 1. Check the answer. So I'll till you are thinking that I'll take the comment section. This one 5 plus 4 minus 2 2 into 2 4 plus 4 more 2. So that will be no remainder 0 minus 4 integer division 3. So what will happen? That will be 1 minus 5 minus 3. What will happen? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 2. 2 divided by 1. So that will be 2. Okay. So the answer will be 9 minus 2 here divided by 1. So it will be 2.0, right? So you have to consider about that thing too. So 6.0. So these are the basic arithmetic operations. Just go through this. Whatever the things that you required, you just write out. Then I will upload some questions to your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.